Top 10 Auto Repair in Anaheim. 1. Mike's Foreign Car Inc., 5, 467 reviews, Miraloma Avenue. 2. Bavarian Auto House German Car Specialist, 5, 110 reviews, East Balsam Avenue. 3. Anaheim Mobile Mechanic, 5, 11 reviews, Kroeger #D. 4. One Way Auto Repair and Services, 4.9 1745 reviews, W Embassy Street. 5. Import Auto Clinic, 4.9 381 reviews, East La Palma Avenue. 6. Lawrence Auto Repair, 4.9 269 reviews, W Wilken Way. 7. ExperTec Automotive, 4.9 259 reviews, West Lincoln Avenue. 8. Frank's Auto Services, 4.9 177 reviews, East Miraloma Avenue F. 9. John's Auto Repair, 4.9 74 reviews, W Wilken Way #A. 10. Best Auto Care, 4.9 29 reviews, N Brookhurst Street.